Assalamu alaikum. If you're learning Egyptian Arabic, then you need to stop making those 5 mistakes. First mistake is saying il beiti. What is that? We're saying il, which is the, and then beit, which is house, and then e at the end, which is my. Can I say the my house all together? No, you can't. The second mistake, which is only specific to Egyptian Arabic, not other dialects, is using the word kitir to mean very. For example, حلو كتير, كويس كتير. We don't say this in Egyptian Arabic. We instead say حلو أوي and كويس أوي. The third common mistake is merging present and past together. Sometimes I hear people saying أنا باكلت. He put the B in the beginning for the present and the T at the end for the past tense, and that of course doesn't work. It's either or. And the fourth mistake is not using the second verb conjugation. What does that mean? أنا لازم آكل, not أنا لازم باكل. لازم is the first verb, آكل is the second verb. And the last mistake for this video is starting your sentences with so. In English you can say, so today this and this happened. In Arabic you can't say fa, beginning your sentence with it. No, it has to be the result of something. He didn't do his homework, so I decided to do a punishment or something. In this case you can say fa in between, and that's it. Let me know in the comments below a mistake that you used to make all the time, but you finally fixed it. Let me know in the comments below.